These actually have these plastic guides that are recessed into the wood and are broken. I could not find replacements for these anywhere. I went through my inventory of all of the little drawer guides that I keep in stock. Hopefully have a size that fits every dresser, except this one. So after trying all of the sizes of the drawer guides that I had, this one is definitely the closest. There's just a little bit of this little overhang here that's too big. I'm gonna use my, I have a cordless Dremel and just take down the edge of this a little bit. See if it fits. Yes. Awesome. Just a little bit too wide. So I'm gonna trim that off as well. Okay, so I'll just try this in here. It fits right in.